Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Google Meet. To know how to find a solution about Google Meet, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Google Meet. When you find this page of app info, we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. After that we click clear cache. You will go to this window of airplane mode and you can click and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.